Good evening, Chris. What are the next steps for the investigation?
Good evening, Catalina. Well, today Rottnest Island was still a hub of activity, but there was also a sense of sadness as the Australian Transport Safety Bureau began its investigations into the tragedy on Tuesday afternoon. Now, what authorities are looking for is that they're combing through the site, hoping to find any wreckage from the plane to piece together what went so terribly wrong. Brendan Wilhelmi is hoping to earn a few dollars.
Hello, how are you? No, not bad, thanks. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help and your support.
The blow is so intense, there's nothing left to salvage.
That house and the memories of my children was the reason why. And if you haven't got a why in life, mate, you've got nothing. You've got nothing.
When exactly the next big rainfall will come, and will it be enough? Some farmers have told me they fear a genuine disaster will unfold if there isn't a practical and timely fix to this widespread drought. It's a reminder not only for family but friends to come together. Despite already being at a towering height of 225 centimetres, the 16-year-old young gun can still grow, and that's the scary thing. The move brings Australia in line with countries like the United States, Canada and England, which have all launched their own national autism strategies.
Correspondent Christopher Tan travelled to Christmas Island to witness this extraordinary occurrence.
Once a year, these red crabs set off on a treacherous journey, one claw at a time. A special moment only seen on this remote Australian territory in the Indian Ocean. Walking inside this cave is like time has paused. The sound of the occasional car driving past is muffled. Locals believe that this bunker here was previously used by the Japanese occupation for ammunition across 3 years.
You know, as a kid, you kind of buy them instruments and you close all the doors and so you don't get the noise.
An initiative helping to make sport a universal language.
Arvo is mean afternoon, mates, lads.
When they landed in Australia, it was a cultural shock, starting at the airport.
Now I still remember struggling to use the escalators because I just thought, what are these? Like, what are these weird machines?
As when first light comes on, authorities will be conducting an aerial search to make sure that things are in the clear. Catalina?
Okay, thank you for that update. That was Christopher Tan for us at Toby Inlet.